Freedom. That is a very powerful word, and it applies to so many different things in our life. But what does it mean whenever you are a creator? Well, for most people, I would say it's just in a few areas. The first one is freedom from doing whatever you're doing right now. I think the dream for a lot of people is to be a creator full-time and not have to work at your job or be to school or whatever the case might be, because typically in those environments you don't have as much freedom, and more often than not you're very restricted on what you're able to do because, well, number one, it is not your business, and number two, you don't own the schools or institutions that you're at. And the second thing is more of a personal, mental, emotional thing, because a lot of us have ideas every single day, and whenever we're restricted from expressing those ideas, it definitely causes a lot of negative emotions, stress, and just really an unhappy life, in my opinion. And so that is the second area of freedom that is very important to creators. And even though you might not be able to reach the complete creative freedom of having it as your business, and even then you still have to make sure your content or whatever you create, it actually works for your audience and that you're still making money from it. It is still less restrictive than the other two things. And so the other side of it is, for most people, if you're not able to do this full-time as a creator, you could still have your personal creative freedom. And I think that's something that anybody can do, and it's something that's very, very important in my opinion, because without that, well, you really feel less of a person. You're not able to be yourself fully, and you're not able to have the type of freedom that all of us crave. If you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.